Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a PDF file on your iPhone in a quick and simple way. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, open the Photos app on your iPhone and choose the images you want to convert into a PDF. These can be pictures, screenshots, or photos of documents. Tap Select in the top right corner and choose all the images you want to include. Then tap the share icon at the bottom and scroll down until you see Save to Files. Simply choose a folder where you can easily find them and tap Save. Once you have saved your images, exit the Photos app and open the Files app. Tap Browse at the bottom and go to the folder where you saved your images. In the top right corner, tap the three dots and choose Select. Then highlight the images you want to turn into a PDF. Now tap the three dots at the bottom right and select Create PDF. Your PDF is now ready. You can tap it to preview it, scroll through each page, rename it, or share it with anyone you need. And that's it. Now you know how to create a PDF file on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.